Hello, my beautiful blossoms. It's Lily here from Inspirational Flower, your sanctuary of serenity and growth. Before we dive into today's story, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. Let's grow together, nurturing our roots of wisdom and love, and bloom into a more mindful existence. Today, I want to share with you a tale of unity, love, and the power of giving. This is the story of the Blooms of Benevolence. Once upon a time, in a quaint little town nestled between rolling hills and a sparkling river, lived a family. This family, like many others, had its fair share of disagreements and misunderstandings. The children were growing, exploring their own paths, and the parents, well, they were trying their best to keep up with the changing times. One day, the mother, a woman of grace and wisdom, decided to bring the family together. She ventured into the heart of the forest, where the most beautiful flowers bloomed. She picked a flower for each member of her family, each bloom representing their unique personalities. For her husband, she chose a sturdy oak tree, symbolizing his strength and resilience. For her eldest daughter, a budding artist, she picked a vibrant sunflower, reflecting her radiant creativity. For her son, a quiet and thoughtful boy, she chose a delicate lily, symbolizing his gentle nature. And for her youngest, a fiery and spirited girl, she picked a bold red rose, mirroring her passion and determination. She brought these flowers home and presented them to her family. Each one of them was touched by the thoughtfulness behind her gesture. They realized that despite their differences, they were all part of the same garden, the same family. This simple act of giving flowers sparked a change in their hearts. They began to appreciate each other's uniqueness, and instead of arguing, they started to understand and respect each other's perspectives. The family, once divided, was now united, blooming with love and understanding. And so, my dear blossoms, the Blooms of Benevolence remind us that sometimes it's the simplest gestures that hold the most profound meanings. They teach us the power of understanding, love, and unity. Remember, we are all unique flowers in the garden of life. Let's appreciate our differences, nurture our relationships, and bloom together in harmony. That's all for today, my beautiful blossoms. If you enjoyed this story and found some inspiration, don't forget to like this video and share it with your loved ones. Let's spread the seeds of love and unity. Until next time, keep blooming and keep shining. This is Lily from Inspirational Flower signing off.